Hi there, welcome to my channel. So you've started investing in crypto, and now you're wondering, how do I sell without being glued to the charts? Don't worry, I'll walk you through how to sell off your crypto holdings regularly and systematically. One effective strategy is reverse DCA. Just like dollar cost averaging helps you buy gradually, this approach helps you sell gradually. Here's how it works. Decide on a fixed amount or percentage to sell at regular intervals, like monthly or quarterly. This way you lock in profits over time without worrying about short-term price fluctuations. Another great option? Limit orders. Most crypto exchanges let you set a target price for selling. If your chosen crypto hits that price, the platform automatically sells it for you. For example, if Bitcoin is at $30,000 and you want to sell at $35,000, just set a limit order and wait. It's perfect if you want to avoid staring at the charts all day. Now here's a pro tip. Use profit-taking strategies. Let's say you're holding Bitcoin and its price jumps by 10% or 20%. Sell a small portion, maybe 10% of your holdings. This locks in gains while letting the rest of your investment grow. If you want even more automation, consider tools like 3 Commas or Shrimpy. These platforms let you set up automated selling schedules or profit-taking strategies so you don't have to lift a finger. Finally, always keep an eye on taxes. Remember, every sale might trigger a taxable event. Use tools like Coinly or CoinTracker to stay on top of your obligations. With strategies like reverse DCA, limit orders, and automated tools, selling crypto doesn't have to be stressful. Start simple, stay consistent, and you'll be able to manage your investments with confidence.